Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Refule and welcome to Arts Fantasy with me, Fifi. Okay, today I decided I'm gonna be doing some aesthetic Polaroid, I think it's called aesthetic Polaroid paintings. Well, some people just use pictures and stuff, but I saw these cool paintings that people do. Sometimes they do clouds and stuff, and it's always so cute. So I decided to do my own. As you can see, it's very easy, it's not very difficult. Plus, it doesn't take time at all. So yeah, that's what it is. So join me as I do my aesthetic Polaroid, which I intend on decorating my room with, planning on doing more. So yeah, this is just a glimpse of one of the artwork that I did. Enjoy.
Hey folks, here's a story about Minnie the Moocher. She was a low-down hoochie coocher. She was the roughest, toughest frail. Minnie had a heart as big as a whale. Poor man, poor man, poor
Perfect.
Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. I'm a weird different caliber. Look how I work in the regular. Semi-automatic, I record and pass it to my boss and guess until it's ready, bro. I'm a weird different class. Came a long way, it's a fact. Cause I've been at the game for too long. And y'all rappers really gas. Ayy, said I'm a weird different class. Had that song, it was trash. Been in the shadows for too long. Kept making y'all niggas whack. Ayy, tell me why you niggas whack. Yeah, your SoundCloud song's trash. Well, I've been working so long, never thought I'd make it to your list sad. But I did it. I took my village, represented every song that I presented. Got a couple streams and bid it, man, I did it. I see the future, man, it's vivid. I'ma take a game and win it. Y'all can stop and really win it. Cause Eddie told me I was fire. And Jack told me I was woke. Lego told me I was dope. Got me feeling like a goat. I'm elevating, going higher. Like they think hanging on the rope. I'm really hanging on the hope. Broken rapping on my soul. At 16, drop a song on SoundCloud, all got one play. 19, drop a tape on the same cloud, all got like 1K. Know I get it one day, man. I know I get it one day. Cause I've been working on my fan base. And you don't think you can get it one way, get famous. Woo! Nigga, get famous. And this nigga gon'
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
Okay, so before I was just washing the cup with warm water and some washing detergent. The washing detergent helps like the paint to stick better, and it's usually more better to like use coarse paper around the cup, just roughening the cup up a little. But I didn't have coarse paper, so I just winged it with the water and soap. So yeah.